Hey guys, 2010 Ford Explorer. If you're having a problem with your seat, I had this car for 4 years, and the electric seat, driver side seat. Now my passenger side is manual, no problem. The driver side seat, it would only go backwards. It would not go forward. And for 4 years, I just drove like that, and what I did was just reclined back and forth. But you know what the trick is? Go on Amazon, and all it is the switch. Damn, I already put everything back together, so I'm not gonna take it apart. But this piece is right behind here, right? And it's like that, and all it is a cable. You unplug it from there, you unplug the cable, and you take this piece out. Take the switches off first. Take 1, 2, and 3 off, because you're gonna have to put it on this new one. Look guys, it's working. It's going forward. I know a lot of guys have this issue, so that's all it is. On Amazon, this was 18 bucks. It solved the problem. Yeah, go on Amazon, guys. I'll leave the link in the bio. I hope this helps. Later.